How to set a video in your picture gallery as a lock screen wallpaper background on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the picture gallery. And from here, you want to go and select a video. So here I've got one video that I have created. Next, tap on the menu button and then tap on set as wallpaper. And then in here, you can choose lock screen or core background. But in this video, we're going to select lock screen. Now in here, you can tap on the trim button and choose which part of the videos that you want to use. So here, we have the begin selection and an end selection. So just drag on this to move it back and forth within the videos. And from here, you can choose which section of the video we are going to use for your lock screen background. And then tap on done. And then tap on done at the top. And that's it. It says changes applied to lock screen. So that's my lock screen there. And when I open it, and that will save the changes and apply to your lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.